Is your car stuck in park, or are your brake lights staying on constantly? The brake light switch, usually located at the brake pedal, activates your rear brake lights and signals other systems when you press the brake. When it fails, you'll experience multiple issues beyond just lighting problems. Let's identify the symptoms. Brake lights not illuminating. Pressing the brake pedal does nothing and the rear brake lamps don't light up at all. This is a primary sign the switch isn't closing the circuit. The brake light switch is a simple electrical component that completes a circuit when the brake pedal is pressed. When the switch fails in the open position, no electrical current flows to the brake lights. The driver presses the brake pedal normally, but the brake lights remain dark. This is extremely dangerous, as drivers behind you have no warning that you're slowing down or stopping. You might only discover this when someone tells you or when you check in a reflection. The switch contacts may be corroded, broken, or the switch itself may have failed completely, requiring immediate replacement. Brake lights stay on constantly. The opposite issue is your brake lights remain on constantly even when your foot is off the pedal. A stuck closed switch keeps the circuit live, which can also lead to a dead battery overnight. The brake light switch should only complete the circuit when the pedal is depressed, but when it fails in the closed position, it continuously sends power to the brake lights. The driver might not notice while driving, but when exiting the vehicle at night, the brake lights glow constantly. This drains the battery over several hours, and you might find a dead battery the next morning. It also confuses drivers behind you who can't tell when you're actually braking, creating a safety hazard on the road. Cannot shift out of park. In automatic cars, you usually need to press the brake to shift from park. A faulty brake light switch may not send that signal, making the shifter locked in park until it's bypassed or fixed. Modern automatic transmissions have a shift interlock safety feature that prevents shifting out of park without pressing the brake pedal. This system relies on the brake light switch signal. When the switch fails, the transmission control module never receives the brake pedal signal. The driver presses the brake and tries to move the shifter, but it won't budge from park. You might be stuck, unable to drive anywhere. Some vehicles have a manual shift lock release button near the shifter for emergencies, but the real fix requires replacing the brake light switch. Cruise control disengaging. The brake switch also tells the cruise control you've braked. If it's bad, the cruise control may fail to engage, or it may shut off intermittently because it thinks you hit the brakes. The cruise control system depends on the brake light switch to know when you want to disengage cruise by braking. A faulty switch that gives intermittent or false signals causes erratic cruise control behavior. The driver sets cruise control, but it won't activate at all, or it activates but randomly shuts off while driving on the highway, even though you haven't touched the brake pedal. This makes cruise control unusable and frustrating. A stuck closed switch makes the system think you're always braking, preventing cruise from engaging. Won't start with push button. Many push-button start vehicles require the brake pedal pressed to start the engine. A bad brake switch can prevent the car from recognizing that you're pressing the brake, so nothing happens when you hit start. This safety feature ensures you don't accidentally start the car while it's in gear. The brake light switch signal tells the engine computer that the brake is pressed and it's safe to start. When the switch fails, you press the brake pedal and push the start button, but the engine doesn't crank at all. You might see a message on the dashboard saying to press the brake pedal, even though you already are. This leaves you stranded and unable to start the vehicle until the switch is replaced or bypassed. Brake lights flicker. An intermittent switch might cause the brake lamps to flicker on and off sporadically while driving. This can be especially apparent over bumps jarring the faulty switch. As the brake light switch ages, internal contacts can become loose, corroded, or worn. Road vibrations and bumps cause these contacts to make and break connections randomly. The driver or following vehicles notice the brake lights flickering, dimming, or cutting out completely while your foot remains steady on the brake pedal. This intermittent connection makes it unpredictable whether your brake lights will work when needed. The problem often worsens over time as the internal components continue deteriorating, eventually failing completely and requiring switch replacement before causing an accident. Brake lights come on randomly. You might notice the brake lights illuminating even when you're not touching the pedal. A malfunctioning switch could make brief contact on its own due to vibration or internal failure. The switch mechanism can stick partially or bounce internally from road vibrations. The driver sees the brake light indicator on the dashboard illuminate randomly, or someone following, you mentions your brake lights are coming on when you're not braking. This confuses other drivers who can't anticipate your actual intentions. The random illumination drains power unnecessarily and can trigger other systems like shift interlock or cruise control disengagement at inappropriate times. The switch needs replacement to restore proper function and prevent confusion or accidents. Brake or ABS warning light on dashboard. In some vehicles, a bad brake light switch can trigger a warning on the dash, such as ABS, traction control, or brake system warnings, since the car isn't sure if or when you're braking. Modern vehicles use the brake light switch signal for multiple safety systems beyond just the lights. The ABS and traction control systems need to know when you're intentionally braking versus when wheels are locking up on their own. A faulty switch sending incorrect signals confuses these systems. The driver sees warning lights on the dashboard for ABS, traction control, or general brake system warnings. The actual brakes may work fine, but the computer systems can't function properly without accurate brake pedal position information from the switch. Brake pedal override. Modern cars have a safety feature that cuts engine power if the brake and throttle are pressed together. A bad brake light switch can falsely signal brakes on, causing poor acceleration or engine power reduction unexpectedly. This brake throttle override system prevents unintended acceleration by prioritizing brake input over throttle. When the brake light switch fails in a way that makes the computer think the brake is always pressed, the engine management system limits power. The driver presses the accelerator expecting normal acceleration, but the car feels sluggish and won't respond properly to throttle input. The engine may rev, but power is restricted. This is particularly noticeable when trying to accelerate onto highways or passing other vehicles, creating potentially dangerous situations.